Did Freemasons try to hijack Cicada 3301? Cicada 3301 was an anonymous online entity that captivated the world with their cryptic puzzles from 2012 to 2014, before inexplicably vanishing without a trace. Their final puzzle, the Liber Primus, to this day remains unsolved. Since Cicada's disappearance, the internet remained rife with imposters attempting to mislead solvers. However, these fake puzzles were easily identified as such by their lack of Cicada's unique PGP signature. In 2017, a mysterious website appeared bearing attribution to Cicada 3301 with strikingly similar puzzles. This URL was sevens.exposed. The likeness of these puzzles was so convincing, many believed that they must be authentic. Solvers invested valiant time and effort into validating Sevens Exposed, but no verifiable PGP signature was ever found. This was ultimately determined to be yet another false lead. Fast forward to 2021, a team of Cicada-savvy investigators were working on a research project studying esoteric practices throughout various secret societies when they happened to stumble upon the catalyst that would ultimately unravel the tight-knit web of secrecy surrounding the Sevens Exposed puzzles. They discovered a video published by a small Italian media production group, MGO Visual Studios. This video contained a substantial number of synonymous visual and auditory consistencies with another video published to the Sevens Exposed websites around the same time frame. MGO Visual Studios is a subsidiary of a legally registered initiatic order known as Priere de Sion. They are also affiliated with several other Masonic groups, including the Great East of Italy Masonic Lodge.